गुड इवनिंग एवरीबॉडी, माई सेल्फ उज्जवल शर्मा। तो वो वक्त आ गया है जिसका सब लोगों को बेसब्री से इंतजार था। एनपीसीआईएल ने इस साल गेट से रिक्रूटमेंट की अनाउंसमेंट कर दी है। गेट 23, 24, 25 के लोग इस पर एप्लीकेबल है अप्लाई करने के लिए। और जो वैकेंसी है इस बार मैकेनिकल के लिए चैनल था स्पेशली, बट अदर ब्रांचेस के लिए भी है। तो जो मैकेनिकल की नंबर ऑफ वैकेंसीज है दैट यू कैन सी दैट इज अ वेरी ह्यूज नंबर ऑफ वैकेंसी, दैट इज 150 in this notification, and other branches have also a good number of vacancy compared to other PSU. NPCIL is hiring a very good number of people, and the investment that is it is putting inside engineering talent. So डिस्कस करेंगे आगे कि आपको किन किन चीज़ों का ध्यान रखना है ड्यूरिंग एप्लीकेबल करने के लिए। तो इसमें जैसे दे रखा है कि आप 10 तारीख से 30 अप्रैल तक अप्लाई कर सकते हैं। ओके, तो हम नीचे चलते हैं इंग्लिश नोटिफिकेशन की तरफ, हिंदी नोटिफिकेशन भी पढ़ लेंगे। तो ये एडवर्टाइजमेंट नंबर NPCIL HQHRM ET 2025-02 दैट यू कैन अपलोड, दैट यू कैन गेट इट फ्रॉम द NPCIL वेबसाइट. So the gate 23, 24 and 25 people are eligible to apply for this vacancy. The number of vacancies here are very huge. You can see as that mechanical it has this year 150 number of vacancy. Chemical it has 60, electrical 80, and further you can see that total number of vacancies are around 400. And NPCIL is recruiting mass because India want to grow in nuclear and you guys are the backbone of the country. So further डिस्कस करते हैं कि इसमें क्या क्या चीज़ें आपको ध्यान रखने की ज़रूरत है। इसमें 2-3 चीज़ें ये है कि आप दूसरी ब्रांचेस के हैं बट आपने अप्लाई मैकेनिकल से किया है, और इसमें जैसे दे रखा है कि इम्पोर्टेंट डेट कौन कौन सी है। तो इम्पोर्टेंट डेट है कि 10 अप्रैल से फॉर्म शुरू हो जाएगा और लास्ट डेट 30 अप्रैल है। तो आई विल से कि जितना जल्दी हो सके फॉर्म भर दीजिएगा। एलिजिबिलिटी ये है कि BE/BTech में आपके और 5 year integrated MTech कोर्स यू नीड मिनिमम 60% ऑफ एग्रीगेट मार्क्स। इफ यू हैव 59.99% मार्क देन आल्सो यू आर नॉट एलिजिबल। सो बिफोर गोइंग और फिलिंग द फॉर्म यू शुड नो दैट 60% mark aggregate is the minimum criteria. And if you belong to mechanical and production branch then you can apply for mechanical. Industrial engineering, P&I, these will be not eligible to apply for mechanical. Similarly for chemical they have already signified that what are the branches that is eligible for chemical number of vacancies. Similarly electronics, instrument and civil. So going down, so the main thing is that for general category you should not be born after 30 April 1999, and for OBC it's 3 year relaxation, and for SC/ST it's 5 year relaxation. Further going down, so yes, this thing is very crucial while filling the form. You need to consider that which part of India you want to work. If you want to work in North India part, if you belong to a north part of India, then you should prefer PHWR, because mostly PHWR nuclear power plants are located in North India, like Rajasthan site, Narora site, Kakrapar, Tarapur. Yes, one is also near Goa, that is Kaiga. It is also PHWR, and one is in Chennai. But more number of vacancy will come from North India only. So if you want to live in North Indian state, you can prefer PHWR. And if you belong to the South Indian community, then you can apply for light WR reactor, light water reactor. If you want to live at Tamil Nadu, LWR currently India having plant at Kudankulam site, Tamil Nadu. So it will be near Rameswaram. So you belong to Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and you want to live near to your hometown, then you should prefer LWR while filling the form. So while going down, we will see that how it will happen is that you will be selected as executive trainees, and you will be having 1 year training program here. During the training program you will be having monthly stipend of 74,000, one time book allowance of 30,000, and after that 1 year training you will be selected here as a scientific officer C under the level 10 with pay matrix of 56,100, and with 53% of the pay in DA. Other allowances are also there, like you will have a house if you live in a nuclear plant site. You will have a transport facility provided by it. Site allowance, that will also be like 9-10% of your basic pay. Professional update allowance, if you want to join an engineering courses, or like if you want to join an engineering society, then they will also provide that facility to you. And other things are also like, these are also the benefit that you will have, and it depends on site to site, the number may vary. These are the other things, like NPCIL have also started this year from Employee Provident Fund. NPCIL will contribute like 12-13% of the amount, and it will be given to you when you will retire. So career perspective in NPCIL is like, and you will work in operation, maintenance, control, quality, various things. Civil, if you belong to civil guy, you will work in civil construction of NPCIL, like NDCT development, other things. So yes, now the commerce bond. If you leave the NPC, if you got selected in any other place and you want to leave NPCIL, after 12 months, like the NPCIL, the amount that will paid to you by NPCIL will be like 9,18,000 for 1 year. And if you leave NPCIL within 3 years, at least 3 years, then you will have to submit that amount to go to other place if you want to leave. But it's a good place to work. So very few people leave. So yes, the important thing, like 1:12 person will be called for interview. So if you belong to mechanical, I will say that if you have a rank up to, if you are general category guy and you have a rank up to 1500 to 2000, please prepare for interview, because the selection is only and only based on interview, how you will perform in interview. And things are like, for gate score final selection, only qualifying marks for interview are as follows. No weightage will be given to gate score. So those who have belong to above rank of gate, like above 400, 500, 1000, 1200, 1500, you give your fullest to this interview, and you can easily make through this process, because this interview doesn't have an weightage in gate score, unless like IOCL or ONGC that have 70 to 80% weightage for gates. So yes, the interview cutoff for this 70 and 60% marks, that is the cutoff that will be get in interview. So like gate, so what I will say that if you get 76, 75%, 75 marks out of 100 in an interview, as a general candidate you will be selected. For OBC, 2-3 marks less, and for like other category you can see the cutoff on the NPCIL website. And more other things that we will discuss in this is like yes. So like so if I tell you that how the process will be, like you will apply till 30 April. Then in the wait list, then the list for selected candidate to interview will be uploaded in May, and in June your interview will be started, like 7 June to 15 or 20 June your interview will be started, and in July the result will come. On 1st of August you will be here at whatever site you are, according to your branches you will have to report on 1st of August. So it's a very quick process. You will get a job on 1st of August this year only, like it's 3 months only, and you will have a government job based on interview only. So I will say that please take this thing as seriously. Interview are scheduled from 9 to 21 June 2025, and the interview will be held at Anushakti Nagar, Mumbai, Maharashtra, NAPS, Uttar Pradesh, Madras, and Karnataka, Kaiga. The things that I will tell you is that Anushakti Nagar, Mumbai, it is a very crowded society, so you will not get accommodation to stay there. But other site like NAPS, Uttar Pradesh, MAPS, Kalpakkam site, and KGS, you will get easily accommodation there, and they will pick you and drop you at the nearest railway station or bus station. So yes, NPCIL is very strict in documents. So these are the documents that you need to take with you at the time of interview. and please be careful while uploading the documents, because it is very strict. If you don't get the proper document, you will be debarred from the interview. So this is an important thing. So going to the other things, yes, you will get a TA for third AC return to and fro. Language for personal interview is Hindi and English. Even person whose interview are going to held in South India, like Madras nuclear power plant, you can also prefer Hindi language there, because NPCIL as a PSU support Hindi, like. So if you give your interview in Hindi, there is no problem. You just need to communicate your thoughts, that how you are thinking. So after completion of 1 year, you will be selected here as scientific officer C, and according to the 1 year you have the performance and the exam that you will give here, according to those marks you will be able to select the sites. Yes, registration number will be required for 23, 24, 25, and please read those other information also while filling the form, the size of photo, other things. Now move to the next part. 500 rupees for application fee. Yes, the most important thing is, like, while filling the form, I will again say that if you belong to North India, because many people do this mistake, they want to work in North India but they select PWR, LWR. But if you want to work in North India, please select PHWR. If you want to work in South India, please select LWR. Okay. And yes, Indian National above, these are the eligibility criteria that will be required for these things. And as I said that please prepare for this interview, because gate mark doesn't have weightage here. Only the performance that you will do will have weightage. Today is 9th of April. Interview will be held in 7th June to 21st June. You have sufficient time, revise your notes, and if you have any doubt, please comment down your doubts so that we can clarify it, or we will be more than happy to help you. We have already uploaded mechanical guys interview of last 2023 batch. The questions will be same, because the person who will ask the question will also be same, from the same background only, na? So yes, if you have any doubt, please comment down. And at last, I want to just recite the quotes from Bhagavad Gita, like Hatova prapsi swarga jitva va moksha se mahim तस्माद उत्तिष्ठ कौन्तेय युद्धाय कृत निश्चय. हारोगे मरोगे तो स्वर्ग मिलेगा, जीतोगे तो धरती पे राज करोगे. तो डोंट क्विट, you have the sufficient time now. Prepare 4-5 important subject. We have already uploaded those subject that you need to say in the interview that you have prepared. Prepare those subject thoroughly. View our video, like what type of question has been asked. There will be other people also who will be giving that what type of question has been asked, and please note those questions. Practice in front of mirror. Practice on copy and pen, because you will be go to board to make a derivation or a solution of a particular question. Thank you.